This was my very first conference, and I was very excited to be here because I've heard about it for many years. I was extremely impressed with the conference, with the caliber of the individuals here.
This will be my third year to attend the conference, and it gets better every year. To me, it's different from some of the conferences that I go to where you're just getting technical information. We get to see real products being used.
What to expect coming to this conference? It's probably the best. It's informative. Listening to the keynote speakers, all the new technology that's coming out, it's a phenomenal experience.
There hasn't been a single session that I haven't walked out with more knowledge than I had before. One of the breakouts that I went to was on program management software. And it made me rethink how I do my work.
I learned a lot while I was here, and that's always one of the greatest values, that as well as the networking.
You get to interface with a lot of folks that both from the insurance carrier side, the TPAs, and the other restoration contractors. And so when you get a group like this together, the ideas start flowing, and you kind of get to play around with some interesting new opportunities.
The people that are here, we have normal conversations. We talk about their kids, we talk about their, the blue sky, the snow, the whatever. There's no pressure, so it's an awesome conference for that reason, especially.
I really liked the one-on-one with certain individuals, like the lab experience. I got to learn a lot in the lab experience with the different programs and the new innovations that are coming out.
Everybody from the User Experience Lab was very nice. They curious to know what my interests were. They showed me all the products that was being offered.
I got to provide feedback to, Exactware, company reps. I feel like I'm making contributions that'll help make Xactimate easier for me to use.
It's great to come here and understand what's at your fingertips that you can grab onto and use. So many times we get in our little rut of life, and we've just been doing the same thing for 10 years and it's been working, nobody's said anything about it. But what if you found out that you could do it 5 minutes faster, 2 hours faster, and shave that time off your day?
Outside of other conferences where I'm learning about something I can buy, or someone's trying to sell me something, here I felt like someone was trying to give me the knowledge and the ability to move forward. I'm going to add to my business. It will grow, it will change, and it will innovate or elevate in many ways.